This is Tanveer Kazmi again with my news channel, See the World Through Tanveer Kazmi. It's another important topic I want to discuss is about the news about Yemen, one of the country close to Saudi Arabia, which is extremely poverty. That the 80% land is not cultivated. That means they have not put any seed of anything. It's empty. And if I look at the poor people suffering, and I can clearly see this is a wrong approach. So humanity needs a lot of food, a lot of demands of important things, rice and crops, and so not cultivating those lands mean we are, inviting a problem in our lives. I see the people are very hungry, a lot of poverty there. Housing is very poor quality, roads are very bad, people do not have water to drink properly. So I think the world has to help them, the especially the people, the countries who are rich. They need to guide them, give them machinery and guidance, provide them to bring them up to back to life again, so they can cultivate the lands and bring a lot of food from there, so they can live a happy life. Keep in your mind, as I always say, we are children of Adam and Eve, one family spread out of the world. The religious differences we have created us. 6.5 billion people, as I said earlier, follow almost the same teaching. The Quran, Gospel, and Torah, the teaching are almost same. We are, because of political and differences, we are suffering. So we need to help each other before we lose our hair after a trillion of years, either into the fire of hell or into heaven. Let's go towards heaven. Let's help Yemen also, or any other countries who are suffering poverty. Go bring machinery. You don't have to make money for everything. God says if you help somebody, I will multiply 70 times. He promising you. Keep in your mind, we are getting free water for the sky. We're getting crops of grains and the rice, everything from, if rain does not happen, we get nothing. There will not be fruits, there will not be vegetable, we will not survive, there will not animals survive. So be thankful. If God is giving us free, let's help other people also. Take care. See you next time. Bye.